West Bengal. He says Hindus in many areas have now become minorities. This once again during an election rally in Bengal. Listen in.
टीएमसी के तुष्टीकरण ने बंगाल में डेमोग्राफी को डामाडोल कर दिया है। समाज व्यवस्था को पूरी तरह छिन्न विच्छिन्न कर दिया है। टीएमसी देश के दूसरे राज्य वालों को बाहरी बताती है, लेकिन अवैध घुसपैठिए इनको अपने लगते हैं। आप मुझे बताइए, बंगाल को घुसपैठियों से खतरा है कि नहीं है? खतरा है कि नहीं है? घुसपैठिए बंगाल के लिए बहुत बड़ा खतरा है। एक घुसपैठिए बंगाल में जनसंख्या संतुलन बिगाड़ रहे हैं। कई इलाकों में हिंदू अल्पसंख्यक हो गए। दलितों, पिछड़ों, आदिवासियों की जमीनों पर घुसपैठिए कब्जा कर रहे हैं। हमारी बहन बेटियों की सुरक्षा खतरे में पड़ रही है। भाई और बहनों, बंगाल के जन जन को इसका जवाब लेने का समय आ गया है।
Pallavi, if I could come to you once again, this particular remark that's coming from the Prime Minister once again in battleground Bengal should also be seen in, by the lens of Mamata Banerjee's anti-CA stand, because the BJP time and again has reiterated that Mamata Banerjee, while she continues to welcome infiltrators in the state because it caters to her vote bank, in doing so she's often opposed citizenship to other minorities. All right, we'll reconnect with Pallavi in just a bit, but that's the Prime Minister's latest remark coming in, who says an attempt to change the demography is being made by the TMC, once again hitting out at TMC in Mednipur, calling it pro-infiltrator, saying Mamata Banerjee often caters to the needs of Ghuspaitiye without realizing that this is leading to a change in demography of the state. Also goes on to then say that Hindus are slowly becoming a minority in West Bengal. This, of course, in continuation with his previous remarks. Pallavi is back with us on the phone line. Pallavi, I was meaning to ask you that this entire comment coming in from the Prime Minister should also be viewed, with the perspective of what Mamata Banerjee has said about CAA, her anti-CAA stand.
Yeah, and the strong stance that Trinamool Congress has taken on the CAA has actually made the BJP make the point even further that the CAA has to be dealing from the NRC, and second, it doesn't snatch any of the rights and the privileges of the minorities. Only thing that it does is to ensure that the true benefits of the government schemes and policies goes to the real people, not people who are coming in from outside, but those who are the citizens of a country. And therefore, it's a wrong narrative which is being pushed. And the BJP and the Prime Minister himself has always attacked Mamata Banerjee of trying to create a sense of panic. And because this is panic which helps her in polarization, which helps her in ensuring that her key vote bank, which is a minority vote bank, actually all gets consolidated and votes for the Trinamool Congress. Consistently, whether it was a Jai Shri Ram slogans, whether it is on the Ram Navami when she had said that we have to maintain peace and harmony, the BJP has always been able to build up this narrative that the TMC government runs only for the sake of one particular community and religious community at that. And therefore, they are the ones who are finding a difference and dividing people on the basis of religion and not the BJP.
Absolutely. And, the TMC has been quite unsuccessful, if I may put it that way, at trying to distance itself from the narrative that is being created by the BJP time and again. Many thanks, Pallavi, for joining us with more. Let's quickly shift our attention to the other big